Hey Enigma crew, today is Betty's cleaning day and it's long overdue. We haven't given her a bath except for environmental baths since we got her last year. All right, well the weather looks like it's gonna hold, so I decided to give Betty a wash. I'm only just starting now after I got about 3/4 of the cab done. I'm gonna start on the roof next. Anyway, all of this had a lot of mold and mildew on it. It's looking a lot cleaner now. All right, so solar panels could definitely use some rinsing. It's not that bad up here. I just learned that Mario C, who liked to keep it clean, was not Mario Cuomo, but rather someone involved with the Beastie Boys. Mario C may approve of the cleanliness of this roof and solar panels now. Well, I made it down. I wouldn't say safely, but I guess the sticker on Brunhild, the 790, says safety third, so now onto the side. Ooh la la. Still a couple of spots I need to work on, but overall, looking pretty good. So earlier today, I put some mold and mildew cleaner around the silicone seals and the windows and the door. It was Miracle Spray, and that stuff worked freaking great. I didn't know much about it, but it was available at Walmart and was a little more expensive than the other choice, and I figured, what the hell? And no disappointments there. And I just got done cleaning most of the cab and the top of the roof, and I'm gonna go through the rest of her. Should I fall down and hurt myself for your amusement? Check back later, but first hit like and subscribe.
How long does it take to finish the whole job?
You know, this is my first time. I can't say. I mean, if it took an hour, and probably honestly the longest part was just trying to get myself up there and back down without breaking my neck.
Oh, because it's slippery.
Yeah. Well, and also the ladder, should have gotten something that kind of grabs the gutter, or a second person like, say you, to hold it while I go up and down, because I have to kind of get up and around. But John and I did it before without the ladder by climbing up in the cab and then kind of pulling ourselves up and then letting ourselves down in the open door. Either works. Residue off of this hatch. Latch wasn't really stuck in very well. It's still maybe not stuck in very well. Please don't rob me. It's in there better than it was before, which was just with the duct tape.
That's really
not.
Huh? It's really getting it.
Yeah, it's a good brush. Not what I was looking for. Honestly, I wanted something fancier with a spinning brush head, but I couldn't find anything that was any good, at least rated well. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to put some of that stuff up here.
What stuff? Oh, that spray.
Yeah. Well, the roof gets it more, right? Especially if it's not rolling all the time. But hey, maybe you'll catch me falling this time.
Maybe.
Hilarity ensues. There might be a better soap too for doing the light stuff on the paint rather than the, the rubber. And maybe enough elbow grease. Ah!
So the handle that you have that you're using as a spray, do you know what brand that is?
The handle that I have.
That. Like, where'd you get it?
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight?
Yeah. Harbor Freight.
It's
I bought
really
this
good.
for Mom because her last one broke from being left outside in the winter.
Oh, so this we can't take with us.
Well, why would we?
Yeah, I know. It's a nice one though. I know.
I'm just
I was
saying,
thinking,
we're gonna hook up to a hose and wash our truck.
Like
we'll probably have to go to like a car.
In case we're in an area where it's nice and sunny, I wish that we could like shower outside.
Oh, I do have that transfer pump.
Oh, that's true.
You could.
Okay, so you got that at Harbor Freight. Do you know how much it was?
$10 maybe.
$10. That's a good price. And then what about
Harbor Freight kicks ass if you don't want anything that you need to last forever.
Oh, okay. Well, if you want something inexpensive that's nice for a short time, go to Harbor Freight.
I mean, some of the stuff lasts a while. It depends. The Icon stuff, but generally speaking, you get what you pay for, right?
Right. And then what about this thing?
That's something I got from Walmart along with the spray. So it's like an RV rush. You can actually hook up a hose to it. It would have been nice to get something with a reservoir, but I just didn't feel like ordering from Amazon.
So it pushes, so you can actually soap it and then have the water come out through it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
But again, it would be cool if it had a soap reservoir, but I guess you could put that in the hose line.
Yeah. And how much was that?
$15.
Oh, wow. Good price.
You know me, I'm not trying, I don't need you to get mad at me for spending money. So I try to be more tactical and strategic with my spending on things like that. But unfortunately, one of those things you kind of have to get yourself, because honestly, unless you know someone with another RV, who else is going to have one?
Yeah, that's true.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching another Enigma Expeditions Chronicle. Please like and subscribe.